highway, but we got it fixed with some zip ties.
Just hope these zip ties don't work up in now. I think when I catch a little air though, it's gonna fall off again. I'll be out there at the show putting them up again.
It's always something with these cars, though. Yeah, we still out here waiting, man. Well, not waiting for another car, but one of my buddies went and got some chicken. Boy, Brandon went there and got a 6-piece chicken. And another dude tasted them, was like, yeah, gotta give me some too. So he went in there and got some. And we gonna hit this road, get to this show. See you back in a minute. We out here. Got the SS. The white letters on it, my boy Brandon. Got him strapped down real good. Of course, we got Willis here. My boy Nick with the Cutlass on the switches. About to go represent for Columbus. Nick. What's up, man? How you feeling, bro? My boy Nick right here.
What's
up, man? You all right? Good, man. I can't complain.
I know you was coming.
Yeah, man. Willis said, I talked to him in Cleveland last time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like Medina. It ain't
Yeah,
too
it's
far
close.
from
Yeah, I live in Akron, so Akron's right next to Medina. You know what I mean? So I used to be there all the time. Sometimes that's cool.
We decided to show up. Hang with the T-Bone.
Nah, they put the ass down. They look better with the ass down.
Yeah, that's it right there.
What it do? What it do? Chipper or what? It ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. What it is, 72 volts.
6 battery. Get over back.
That's the fucking Mustang. How the fuck did the Mustang fall on a river?
How you doing, man?
Alright, just gotta wipe down the outside. We'll be across or something. Richard, maybe a toll band move it over like that. I want to do I want to display with the doors open. So otherwise, everybody should have 2 spots. Oh, yeah, we got it. I think I'm going to run over and grab my tent and everything.
Sorry. Very good.
deer and bird. Unless I see him in my driveway. What the heck?
But they're not as tall. Not as tall. I don't have it. Well, yeah, you only have 2 inches.
Yeah, y'all, some nice G bodies out here. This one right here is from Columbus. I did the package tray and this one for him. The package tray back there. I did that for him. Nice build on Air Ride, US Mags. It's like a work in progress.
Yeah, I watched the guy make them last night on YouTube.
Oh, those are cool.
A lot of G bodies out here, a lot of G bodies. follow this dude's channel on YouTube. I didn't realize he was probably in Michigan. I didn't realize he was that close. You gotta watch this build, or part of the build on YouTube.
Yeah, bitch. And it recycles back in. Nice car.
Everywhere. George be in that SS. Rolling. And Iowa. Nice little drive. Barrels on it. I raced it. Tiara. Got the nose wrapped in vinyl. See this car y'all been talking about. It's my first time seeing the well, no, I saw it at the car show last year at the Vances. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't really look at it, but yeah, man. Yeah, you had the black joints on here before, right?
That black wheels all of those.
With Larry here, this is the guy that did my framework. Mr. Bennett right here. He did this car too. Him and Big Mike.
All three of us.
All three of us, okay.
Got a 5-year project in front of you.
5-year project.
Painted in my dirty ass garage.
It's good for a dirty garage paint job.
And never been much interrupted. We're about to repaint it again.
Sorry.
Not to mention they pay like 5 in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, did they?
Well, we
Y'all
started
trying to rush it or something?
No, we started at 10:30. We had the last coat of clear went on at 6:30 a.m. It's not perfect.
Yeah, I know y'all.
Never been wet sanded or buff.
That's what he was saying. Well, what y'all waiting on? Go ahead and buff it out.
We're gonna redo some body work on it, repaint it, paint the roof gold.
Oh yeah, you did say that.
Find a gold that you like for the roof.
Try to find something like
Y'all
that.
do the same thing.
Dashboard.
Dashboard. Yeah. You can probably take a picture of it and take it to the paint shop. They can just, or look at some paint chips.
Somebody had to put a camera on it and take a picture of it.
Oh yeah.
Match it.
Yeah.
So if we painted, I'll probably end up putting the steel front end back on.
Glass is too wobbly.
For as much as it costs, it sucks to have it.
It's till 7. Yeah. 7 o'clock. These years. My aunt used to have one of these back in the day. It wasn't 442. When my parents had the Buick version, 4 doors though. Blast from the past.
Are those hard to get? Or? I actually just waited about 3 weeks on those.
National, so these some repairs in here losing their mind.
That's pretty dope, bro.
Yeah, I saw this on YouTube about a month ago.
That's pretty dope, man.
That shit hard.
The drive shit, bro. That's dope.
That shit hard. Pulled up at this thing sound good. Again, this dude be everywhere. Just got him at Good Guys. Regals is pulled in on the Carlo. No Camino back there. Grand Prix. Drop top Cuddy on the Ruchis. Antifreeze. Huh? Alright. Antifreeze. What up, YouTube? Here, my man Marv. He got a Cuddy for sale. It is 88. 10 grand the best offer. Not sure if you can see that. New tires, new shock, springs, alignment, cold air, hot heat, defrost works, all power options work. 330-212-6850. His name is Marv. Got this for sale. 10 bands or best offer. Solid car, as you can see. Interior is immaculate. You gotta just put a paint job on it and roll. Or roll it like this. Up. Door panels look good. Carpet good. Headliner ain't drooping. Nice piece right here. Front got the spare in there. Jack, clean. Yeah, man. If y'all interested in the G-Body Cutlass, hit that number, get at my boy, and make y'all a deal. Peace.
I mean, you gotta love everyone who builds these G-bodies, no matter what the style is. All right, so I'm gonna hand the mic over to Frank.
Boy Willis is one big
wheel
car. G-Body car show. You gotta show that thing to the camera, bro.
Gotcha.